lost. Looking for classes.
Say hi.
Well, yeah.
Can you take a picture?
No, I vlog. Say hi. I don't even know where we are.
My locker.
Maddie.
I have this nice wall.
This is Maddie's locker.
Why are you vlogging again?
Because people want to know about the first day of school. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
The what?
I don't know where my locker is. Say it.
Come on, Dad.
Okay. So we're trying to find Avery's locker and mine because I don't know where it is.
Do you even know the number?
140. We're looking. Our lockers are blue because our school colors are blue.
I'm like, oh, let me soak my locker.
Hello. Welcome to the Jay's vlog. I am very understanding under what asking what is going on with her normal day. Now I'm just talking about him. Sorry? She stepped on my foot. Anyway, we go to school. It really won't shut. This is fun. Are you done?
You done?
I'm done.
Okay, Maddie, say hi.
Hello. Hello, Dad.
Say hi.
Oh, man.
Say hi for YouTube.
I already said hello forever ago.
Yeah. I have the lunchroom. How was your day? That's good. Did you find all your classes? I'm not taking a picture. I'm vlogging.
Yeah, I found all my classes.
That's good. Did you ever get lost?
I don't get lost, but I just didn't go.
Yeah. Well, yeah, but you could like lose your way.
I actually got lost helping you. And I'm going to go see. Can you see it in the camera?
I'll like.
There, you see it? But all the girls say I should save it.
Yeah, it kind of looks weird. It looks like you're like Shaggy from
I like it.
Scooby-Doo.
But, you know, I'm going to go home and save it because I took a survey. Also, a girl picture of a butterfly.
That's good. Good first day. Do you like the people that are in your classes?
Yeah, I like everyone.
That's good. Do you wish?
Required to like everyone.
Oh, well, yeah, but
I
you
still
know.
like everyone, regardless.
That's good. Do you wish that anyone was in your class that is? Yeah, do you wish that someone was in your class that isn't? Do you wish that there's someone that isn't in your class to go in your class?
Oh.
That's so bad.
Not really. Not that I can think of. Well, I don't really have a preference. Just kind of go with the flow.
Well, that's good. Well, that's good. Good. I'm going to stop filming you now. Hey guys, so I just got done with my first day of junior year. And I just got home, so I'm getting the mail. And then I'm just going to kind of tell you about my day a bit. But to be honest, I didn't know where a single one of my classes were. Like, I didn't know where any of them were. I knew 3. But, like, that's of my 8 classes total. And today I only had 4 classes. Oh, my gosh. I knew where 3 of those classes were. But of today, I only know where 2 were. Which isn't that bad. Like, if you think about it. Yesterday, I was kind of, like, going through my list, like, of classes and then my map. Oh, my gosh. I was like, oh, I give up. I couldn't figure out where they were. I didn't know where I was going. So I was like, whatever. And basically what I decided to do was just, whatever, go with it. And one of me and my friends, we actually have the same schedule as each other. Like, we have all the same classes together. And it didn't start out that way. Like, we first started out with having, like, 4 classes. Well, yeah, we ended up having about 4 classes, but they were different days, you know, like 2 and then 2 on A day and then, you know, 2 on the B day. But after that, we were kind of like, oh my gosh, like if we just switch this one, move that one, change the teacher, we'll have the same schedule. That would be so freaking cool. Oh, hi, baby. My dog is excited to see me. And so, I mean, you know, we ended up having the same schedule. So that's cool. She's one of my best friends. Read about that. Holy crap, this is close to my face. So I'm not really worried. I don't know. So anyways, she knows where all the classes were, so I was like, you know what, whatever. I'll just follow her to everywhere we go. She'll take us to class. It'll be okay. And so that's what we did. She just took us to all of our classes.